Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Fibonacci, golden pockets, juice. Nerd, 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 nerd. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Nerd, 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 nerd. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Juice.
Juice. Juice. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Monday. How we doing? How we doing? Get my situation. I was running real fast. How we doing? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah. Good morning, Dr. Manhattan, Joopy, Buzzo, shout out to you, brother. Flank Sinatra, Joopy, Petrus, Tivinal. Yeah, good morning, Buzzo. Big cheers. Curvies, good morning. JV, shout out to PSG. Let's go. Good morning, PSG. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Who juicing? Who juicing? Discipline is better. Thank you. Good morning to you. Latisse. Vanya, how we doing? Critter, Crispy. Let's go. Let's go. Mex Powers. Let's go. Good morning. Appreciate the resub. Sammy. Elation. Checkster. Banshee. Yeah, let's see some PSG in the chat. Let's go. Good morning, PSG. Good morning, Lions. Who juicing? Bugatti. Juice. Math's the math. It's 2. What? It's 2 what? We've been planning for this, haven't we? Let's go, Heyblade. Happy Monday. Damon. Nerd. Lil X. Let's go. Mark. Crispy. Petrus. Maestro. Good morning. Hakan. Devil's Gold. Mark. Flank Sinatra. Fibbo. Kimba AI, shoutouts to you. Calling Noob. Shoutouts Calling Noob. Exclamation BTC Live. One Tuna Boy. Let's go. Let's go, Ace. Good morning. Yeah, I'm strong if you strong. Mitchie, welcome. Let's go. It's too easy. That's right, Checkster. That's right. We've been planning for this. We've been planning for this. Shout outs to YouTube. Good morning, Skoda. Good morning, Bobby Toxic Pedals. Shout outs to you. Let's go. Who caught the resumption stream yesterday? That was Juice. Exclamation dashboard for the entire stream schedule. Make sure that you get your UIDs in. We got some giveaways coming up this week. Shout out Stream Elements. Toko Chedge. Was it ever so easy? Seriously, bull markets, it'd be like that. You get some little flushes here and there, but man. Is it Wong to be in a long? What's up, Jamaica? Good morning. Come on now. DJ, let's go. Insistence, good morning. Officially out of a choppy initial balance. You said it. Yep, that IB. Yeah, that was pretty tight little range that we sat in for quite some time. But things are looking pretty good, don't you think? I mean, probably not super great if we're anxiously shorting. But otherwise, yeah, I feel you, Jamaica. It's pretty strong right now, though, isn't it? We'll look at BNB in a little bit. Let's get caught up. This is a whole weekend of juice. All-time high set on a Saturday night. It's got to be testnet. Who was in PSG? Who was grinding and watching the charts, seeing that action? That was juice. Raise your hands if you were watching the new all-time high get set. You did, Insistence? Nice. Nice. What were you nerding out on? Good morning, Indoline. It was good. How about yourself? Yeah, it was mostly work, but did a little family thing yesterday afternoon. EU was sleeping. I'm gonna be real. I was sleeping too. The math is the math. The math is the math. I didn't short it. I took some profit, and that was about it. And then it's been holding. It was holding the consolidation. Yeah, and I mean, these are levels that I marked, not on stream, right here. I pulled a fixed range on that consolidation. That is pretty much the only thing that's different. I extended from here. Point of control. We traded like 2 candles underneath it and got right back above it. It turned structure into support. And if you want to look at this area, I mean, it's pretty clean. And it's been doing that the whole move. It's been doing that the whole move. This consolidation turned into support, go. This consolidation, back test, go. This little mini consolidation turned that structure into support. I mean, it just like keeps on juicing ever since that 113 level got reclaimed. So things are looking pretty nice. Things are looking pretty nice. Not to say that it's going to keep on going, but I mean, RTH could be pretty interesting. Live auctions, nice. Initial balance, yeah. Insistence, yeah, that's juice. It is juice. Yeah, I marked this just like kind of an area of interest, just to see if there was going to be a reaction here. I'm not holding or placing too much weight into this little box zone. I was just like for my own observation. Let's start off with a little bit of nerd out vibes. How's that sound for everybody? We getting any music coming in? We aren't. Oh, I broke it. One of these days I'm gonna get this. You got some slow jazz? Yeah, break of initial balance. We have been creating value at this point. So either way you look at it, we got value here. that we're breaking out from. Let's see, is this the one that I want to look at? No, this is. This is. Previous value area high. Holding a break of it with some increased volume. The high's not bad. Yeah, but it's looking pretty good. Now, what happened to my levels? My my VWAPs. Did I turn them off? I think I might have. Uh-oh, that's a big Cachoya. Does anybody want to have a, where did it go? Yeah, I don't want to like run through a whole setup. Man, I just like made it nice too. I cleaned it up yesterday. Maybe this one. All right, well, I can sort of work with this. Chauncey, where are you? Shout out Danny Balat. Thank you so much for the subs. Big cheers, brother. Big cheers. Danny Balat, he juicing. Making it rain. Get your umbrellas out. Let's go, brother. Anything that you'd like to see this morning? J-Pause. Taking profit and assistance. Yeah, previous value area high and value area high and turning into support. Yep. Yep. Jamaica. Forget about them. Double buttons. I know, I know. That's like the opposite of what you normally think for the Asia exchanges, isn't it? What about ETH? Could be. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Big cheers, DJ. Thank you, Danny. Big cheers, brother. Shout out to Danny. You juicing? What are you trading? ETH, Sol, Biddy? Any of the others? Shout outs to Coke and his Aster coin. That one's actually been respecting the levels. It mostly has anyways. Flank Sinatra, Pipeline, Copy, Blaze Alec, Damon. Yeah. Devil's Gold is playing basketball. Latisse, Vanya. Good morning, Jarik. Yeah, for real. Hey, J-Sucks. How we doing, bud? Flow Phantom. Yeah. Yeah, let's get it. Okay, are you gonna like get out of here or what? Ugh. Hate when it does that. But I need my VWAPs. I'm on the wrong keyboard. CPI candle. Yeah, hey, are we gonna have any action for CPI? Are we gonna have a CPI? It's not gonna even let me copy and paste this one. This is a huge Kachoya. All right, well, new layout time. We'll just go over here. Are we gonna have CPI? Are they gonna delay it? Good morning, Coke. How are we doing? Ludo, Joopy. Oh, it's in RTH. Are they gonna do it? Because you know they delayed or whatever with the unemployment and everything. This is not like a big news week. Who's bearish? Daily. Good morning. How are we? Welcome. Exclamation welcome. Good morning. Jay Becker, how you doing? Kobe. Yeah, a little gap up on futures open last night and holding it. Really just holding the wick before close. Looking pretty nice. Yeah, that looks like all-time highs. So open up at all-time highs. What happened last time that happened? Anybody remember? It's gonna have a bullish gap though in RTH. Oh, it didn't. They adjusted it again. How about that? How about that? Quit playing with me. Yeah, so 125,640 is where we're at now. Shoutouts to Jameis. We strong. 8 years, bro. How you doing? Welcome back. Welcome back. How you doing? Trying to do a recap. Yeah, we're just kind of like rolling into things. Let's do a market open prediction. Get your predictions in. Is that first 5-minute candle on BTC of US market open gonna be a red or a green? Shout out to that boy Housty. Yeah, how about the resumption stream last night? That was really cool. We have some talent show viewing parties this week. Exclamation dashboard. Exclamation giveaway. We have some nice action going on all week. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to be here every single morning this week. I told you guys 2 weeks ago that in real life work is like ramping up again, and I'm not going to be able to do every day all the time, but I'm going to do as much as I possibly can. Definitely until Big Man is able to rejoin us. And I mean, the math is the math. We've been doing great. And shout outs to CoinWise, exclamation CoinWise. You can still do your trials on it if you'd like. If you haven't given it a shot yet, like, don't double trial it. Like, don't try to do like that type of silly, goofy activity. But yeah, their indicators are amazing. Yeah, super juice. Yeah, we have a couple of them visible on the chart here. We got it's a TPO PVP indicator. We have levels and VWAP visible. And then this is CVD. This is it's not tailored completely. I haven't altered that many of the defaults on all of them, but this is relative volume. Yeah, you can do just normal buy and sell volume as well. Yeah, you can do long and shorts. You can do open interest. It's not really that helpful on CME. Yeah, you need to like have the you gotta pay for that data, like not through TradingView. Richie, good morning. Positioned heavy, let's go. Dokong to Shanghai. Cheers, welcome back. Hippopotamus, let's go. Let's go. Shout outs. Yeah, J-Size Kachoy. Let's get it. Maybe Band-Aid, shout outs PSG. Let's go. KIMBA Lion. Bear CBD, yeah. I mean, this is ETH. So don't put too much weight into it. This is ETH. Yeah, pretty much like from the close. Kind of sold off a little bit. S&P sold off a little bit into market close on Friday. And this is the ES, but S&P did as well. Yeah, that wasn't looking super Gucci, but you know, they'll run it back during Asia because all we have is buy buttons on the Asian exchanges these days, right? And on London exchanges, Euro exchanges. AimTalks, every single one of my layouts, I have different settings. But I'm happy to go through them if you have any specific ones that you want to look at. I can't remember which day that I went through it. But this is TPO PVP, and I'm just showing TPO on this with single prints. That's pretty much the only thing that I have like customized, that I hid the volume aspect of it. And in the Coinbase chart, I have it volume instead of TPO, except for I show single prints on that one. And that one somehow I Kachoyed and erased my VWAPs. So I don't know where those went, but you know, I'll run it back. And then the ETH side, the ETH is looking pretty good. Yeah, I mean, it's like we've seen this pattern many times recently. They're just like, it's like a buying channel. What happens when it takes the high? Is it going to break out, or is it going to reject? That's to be determined. But we have bad highs above us, like basically all the way back up, and we have like good structure going on. Yeah, it's turning that consolidation into support, just like it was on Bitcoin. Yeah, we got like, these are like really not great. It front run that by a few cents almost. So that's not a box to short. That is an area of numerous weak highs, and then not that far above it you have a whole series of weak highs. Once again, these are 4-hour charts. pretty much one of the only like decent highs, and you can't even call it like that strong. Is that the all-time high, pretty much all the way to like the 47.80. If we turn this zone into support, that 5K that everybody is just ready for, it's incoming, in my opinion anyways. I wouldn't just mark it long if it breaks this, but we start getting some closes, it is likely I would definitely be looking for pullbacks to hop on the train if I wasn't already. Yeah, we've been planning for this the past couple weeks, and man, that move in the past week was strong, wasn't it? Yeah, let's get Bitcoin back on here. At least I can work with this layout. It's got VWAPs on it. Oh, I think I turned single prints off. Yeah, that's a Kachoya. Got rid of my levels. Here's some of my settings. That's what you want for minimum ticks if you really want to optimize single prints. I like them a little bit darker. I'm not really worried about the good highs and lows, but it's capable of marking that. The initial balance range, I usually change the color. I'm going to keep it. I don't want to like do all of that business. Oh, and the last thing that I like to do is in levels. But it's capable of doing many different time frames. Yeah, no price, no price. I'm not really super concerned with the value area volume, but that's pretty cool. Manual, there we go. Yeah, I'm not worried about the sessions, but we are capable of really customizing that a lot. Shout outs to CoinWise, exclamation CoinWise. They got some great stuff. They have some really fantastic indicators, developing a lot of education things, and much more. I heard they just came out with some templates. I saw the post over the weekend. That's juice. Yeah, so they have a lot of customized things that really make it plug and play for the users. Yeah, let's go. 124.759. Heavy support. I think the 122 is better support, but it's in lower time frames. It's turning it into support for sure. Yeah, Richie, let's go. Yeah, don't look at that as single prints in the 4 hour. We're mostly concerned with single prints in the 30-minute time frame. That is like the true market profile standard. Yeah, it's looking somewhere around the 7.5, 7.86 right now. You know, just going off of guesstimates. I'm not looking at another chart, by the way. Look at that. Oh, single print into market open. How about that? Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, Curvies. Yeah, Crispy. Yeah, Arum. How we doing? Yeah, 118 is a good SR zone. Yeah, that's a very important area, and we have been talking about that for this whole time, hadn't we? It was pretty much 113 and 118 were like the big levels. Yeah, and then of course like the 107, 108 zone. I know, man. Yeah, good morning. I know, J-Pots. Good morning, Natero. How are we doing? The Dirty. Excognitive. Yeah, estimation dashboard for this full schedule this week. We got some juice coming in hot tomorrow. Got the talent show viewing party. Got giveaways coming up. Make sure you get your UIDs in. Yeah, I'm not sure which exchange it's going to be with, but I hear word that there's going to be giveaways. So let's go. Let's get it. And exclamation coin wise. Yeah, if you don't know what I'm talking about, check out the YouTube. We've been planning a lot of what you're seeing here for a very long time. There's a lot of explanations with how we use things, but always feel free to ask as well. Lihu, let's go. Damon. Yeah, and if you didn't catch it, I'm Mandalo. Yep, just one of the team here. Trying to hold it down in Kimba's absence. Shout outs to the entire team. Big cheers to you all. Yeah, shout outs to Housty, Cage, Buzzo, Cyper, Chauncey, MGK, Tiggy. Shout outs Coin Nerd. Yeah, and big shout outs to Kimba. I hope everything is well. Yeah, and if I missed any of you, my bad, dudes. Yep, and all the dev team, the graphics and art team, much love. Yeah, Fredward, let's go. Yeah, I saw you in here a bunch this weekend. I was lurking. Yeah, trying so much work to do. Happy 420. Cheers, brother. Nookie, Joker, Discipline. He's predicting the future. We might. 5-minute green. Did it close yet? It didn't close yet. Strat. Let's go. Yeah, Latisse. You just got the itch this morning, don't you? Like, I gotta get my fix in. Yeah, aim talks. I could see it getting tested. Hitman Gucci. Let's go. Good morning, brother. Pintlovsky. Is it Pintlovsky or Pintlovsky? Let's go. 83rd. Good morning. I don't think I saw you last week. Everything well? Good cheers. Yeah, things are looking pretty nice. Let's go over onto the TradFi. Let's see what kind of gap we have on. Ugh. Ooh-wee. That's something. Yeah, a little gap up on ES. Yeah, is this causing resistance? Is that one going to? I think we're just, gapping up and seeing what's gonna happen. Weak lows all the way through here, but it could still hold the pattern, higher lows. Yeah, gapping up's a good thing. We don't really have anything bearish going on this week unless some news-oriented thing occurs. It wouldn't be a bad thing to retest somewhere around these lows again. Even this, and even cleaning that, you're still gonna hold structure. Yeah, it's still gonna be a higher low. So even if it cleans up the 6,700, yeah, not too shabby. You got settlement up here from last week. 67, 64-ish. Yeah, I got like double indicators on this thing. I don't know what's going on. That needs to get cleaned up. I got like giga migraine going on right now. I can't even like see it flickering like that. But let's go over onto index. Yeah, and see what's going on over there real fast. Just to kind of get a gauge on our levels and whatnot. Not a good high on index either. Holding monthly VWAP. That's a good thing. Weekly VWAP is far below. Shout outs to Cage and calling everyone's attention to the VWAPs last night. Yeah, that was a juicy stream. If you missed it, you can still catch it on the oh, I don't know if you can. Yeah, he likes pints. Happy 420. Do you like pints? Busy, busy, busy. 83rd. That's good. Hopefully you're juicing. Hopefully everybody's juicing. Even if you're just like nerding out, hopefully you're juicing on the knowledge. Yeah, let's get it. That's what we're here for. To improve and learn. Work hard and hopefully see the fruits of our labor. Yeah, it's not all about Bugattis and Rolls Royces and fucking mansions and yachts and stuff and PJs. Those are cool things, but they're just things. You gotta be able to enjoy your time and enjoy your life. Yep, that's the real TA strat. It's in service? Yeah, dude. You ever see that dude Matt Armstrong that he like rebuilds crash cars? He was like thinking about buying a Bugatti and he had to get it might have been like side mirrors or something for it. He was gonna get a Chiron, like a special one. I can't remember what it was. But it was like 100 grand for like 2 like little piece of shit parts. It was insane. He was like, I don't know. I do drink a lot of water and it helps. I am somewhat dehydrated. I get really dehydrated at nighttime and like I was scrambling this morning doing a whole lot. And so I probably didn't drink enough. I think that has something to do with it. AIM Talks. Yeah, shout outs to you though. I had a real problem with it. And even though I did drink a lot of water, I made a connection with it and it has helped tremendously. I don't have to take medication very often any longer. Yeah. And if you can avoid taking medicine just on like natural, and I'm not saying like, you know, go down to the hippie store and just take some random things, but just like something so simple as water or diet, it's amazing. It's amazing. Good morning, Cage. How you doing, brother? Shout outs to you. Nice stream last night. Shout outs to Houston and Buzz. Exclamation dashboard for the schedule. All of the things that are going to be happening this week. And get ready for your potential giveaways. Let's get it. Did I already get to the end of the playlist? No way. It's got to be testnet. Twice a year now? That's it? That's nice. Luxslayer, really? Yeah. Yeah. I know it's blasphemy, but I don't really. I used to be a like major enjoyer, but you know. Just my charts and my levels. The nerd out grind. Yeah, nice little dip the tip so far. It's not really anything above us. Yeah, maybe it comes back and taps like previous value area. Nice little gap though. I see electronic. I mean, it ran it up past it even in ETH. So maybe it gets like today's daily value area high or VWAP point of control through here. But I mean, I think that high is, it has a strong chance. Let's do something fun and have an exercise in Fibonacci. .25 at like 131. 215 something. How's that 1.618 looking? Yes, sir, Buzzo. I got you, brother. Yeah, I need to write that down, actually. I need to just, like, program it into mine. Did you ever get filled? Did you pick up some? 618 is my naked point of control. Yeah. Oh, that locally? Insistence? Namgod, good morning. How are you doing? Alright, LTC. We're gonna look at Aster. Oh, we looked at Jupe. I'm just like, I'll probably look at Jupe this morning. Of course, Solif the Vax. You remember like the Saluna Vax or whatever? Yeah, Maestro. PSG is all... Ooh-wee, Buzzo. Let's get it. Maestro, exclamation alpha. That's PSG. That's their alias, isn't it? Yeah, that's kind of interesting through here, and it still holds like that little structure, but you got the same look going on. Sweet the ETH high in RTH. Maybe it pulls back and like closes the gap. Tap settlement from Friday. That's a zone of interest. It is not a buy box. Yeah, I want more than just weekly open and settlement or a gap to make decisions. ETH just swept one of them. Let's go back over to the Bitcoin's chart. Oh my gosh, it has got to be testnet. It has got to be testnet. Yep, I drew that box because I was sitting at JP Morgan dropping off some coffee, and one of the dudes had this on the chart, and so I said, I'm gonna juice up the gang. Yeah, it's DoorDash. I told you work was picking up for me. 7.5, yeah. 7.5, 7.86. It closed outside or below the 7.5, I think, didn't it? That's what that box was. I drew the box based on structure, though. You have that little value area and point of control. I was kind of thinking about having it extend all the way up to just above where that wick was, but it makes sense too. You have like this little grind down, some people trying to buy through here. Yeah, that would be resistance for the small little area of value that they tried to establish the other night. Flank Sinatra. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I mean, this is Pumptober, and that's pretty much all that it matters. So, TA done. It's Pumptober. And we have no shutdown, so no government events to make it bearish. You also have FOMC on the 29th, so that's like pretty, I know, I'm really kidding. But there is FOMC. There's not really a whole lot of bearish things or things to be bearish about at this point. But that's just narrative speaking. The math is the math. If we get data that reflects otherwise, then we will factor it in. Yeah, where was that box? I drew it like this. I think it was right here to there. Yeah, that's not like a real order block. It just, that's why I drew it. I was looking at, oh, there's some buyers there, and there's like, that's the bottom of like buyers there. In hourly, it didn't look better. I usually like to draw my boxes with hourly charts, but it's like that one was where I would have drawn it, and that became, you know, support. That was our whole like consolidation zone after. I don't even know what it where it is on the hourly. Yeah, a higher time frame for those things tends to work better. But that looked pretty nice, didn't it? Fib is history. Oh, but it's also extensions. We're gonna predict the future. No, but we're gonna calculate potential areas, especially during price discovery. And of course, since we set new all-time highs the other night, you had to. That's you know, it is kind of it's kind of calming, at least, to open up a chart that's like unmarked and not have to like hide everything. Yeah, the 1.25 is 129. 1.5 is like 133. 618. 135, and I mean, I don't have prices on here because it just like gets too busy, but if you guys want to see the prices, that's pretty nice. Now how about this move? That was the top on Saturday. It's never going below 120 again. Who do you bereave? Yeah, that's not bad for like a 382. It's backwards. How about that one? That 119.3 is actually an important area, but the 118 I place more emphasis on. Yeah, I think that's why this candle right here. You pull back to 115, 114 area. It's like tapping this. If it's like got like everything was over, it's just your golden pocket. It's ridiculous. Shout out to everybody that's in longs or in spot, added to your bags when everybody was scared and bearish. Shout outs to the people that took profit on their shorts before it round tripped us. And big cheers to the KIMBA Airlines enjoyers. Big orders around 130, are there? Not really on Binance. You have big orders on around 130? Flank? Let's see if I don't break this. I'm gonna try and pull up Market Monkey. Little MMT. That's not Market Monkey. Wait a minute. This is our Coinalyze. And EXO is like behind it. So, oh, it's not even got them all in. What happened? What happened? There we go. It was like adjusting the layout and stuff, I think. So, Coinbase. Coinbase, Bitfinex, I think this is Bybit, this, or it's like all the others. This is Binance. These are all spots at the bottom. And then that's aggregate. This is aggregate stablecoin, aggregate coin margin. I forget what this one is. Oh, it's CBD, I think, for all futures. Licks. This is BitMEX, Bybit, USDT, Bybit, coin margin, Deribit. That is Binance coin margin, Binance perps, and CBD for Binance. Yeah, Binance. They're getting filled on longs or shorts, who knows? Not really super worried about it. Coinbase was buying through this. Did it just hide it again? Coinbase is at the bottom, the white. And it was Bitfinex is the green one right above the white. But you see that little push that they had. But it didn't really do a whole lot for aggregate. Yeah, for our EXO. Got longs taking profit. I mean, maybe it rolled over and a few longs got stopped out, but it wasn't really a whole lot right there. We held this. They got filled here, and maybe took a little bit of profit on this pullback and that pullback. But there's not like anything trapped really. Like maybe a little bit of shorts down here. Some of them got stopped out. But this whole zone, really, since There's not like that much. Yeah, like 28 million underwater from the break on Friday. In shorts, it's not that much. I think they're biding their time. Or maybe they're just not bearish. But from... yeah, it's like impossible. Just stopping out a bunch of shorts the whole way. Let's look at it like closer up for CBD. Lord of mercy. We're selling into a pump. So higher high. On price, lower high on your oscillator. What do we call this? Not if you longed in the past week. What are you talking about? What did I say that you're replying to? Shorts trapped? Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, it's not really that much shorts trapped though. Alright, let's go back over to this one. Come on, ETH, next level. Yeah. Could be, could be, could be. Retest value area. Previous day value area high. Current developing value area high. Looking okay. I think those highs are coming. How far beyond it? We can do like local fib maybe. I mean, that doesn't... It could just be like a baby sweep or something, like 126 and change. 1.618, the 2, like 129. Who thinks you're gonna get a giant dildo and just keep going beyond the all-time high if we get there? Who thinks it's gonna be a swing fail? We're not there yet. Yeah, and then on the opposite side, we'll just do it like lazy. It really was KIMBA box on the pullback. That's your 786. We got filled on the KIMBA box after that. It came and cleaned all that stuff up, and then it held this garbage. But 786 was strong, and it had a lot of confluence with it. Mark, you're going on the dildo? Yeah, discipline is better. That wouldn't be too bad. That'd be a nice little short, too. Gap play is good. You mean dip the tip? Yeah, I feel ya. Yep, first hour or first 30-minute close and RTH. And there's another single print that just formed. Yeah, we'll look at ETH and some alts in a minute, and then round it out with like a one last recap. but I'm gonna be lucky if I can stay until the initial balance concludes. As I'm switching over, you got time to get your UIDs in the dashboard. We got some giveaways coming. Can't have you missing out. If you want to juice up and look like a real Jedi Master, get yourself some merch. Exclamation merch is dope. I'm like Ricky Bobby up in here. Big Red, if you don't chew Big Red, then fuck you. Much love, Lions. Now the sweatshirt, it's sweatshirt season. It's starting to get chilly here. Yeah, it's juice. We got some really cool new ones out. I need to get on it. I was like, man, I have a million sweatshirts. But I really want to get a V2 black hoodie. Those are nice. $125.8 to $122.8. Yeah. I mean, it's a baby move though. That's like 2%. It's a lot of, you know, dollars, but percentage-wise, it's not really that. One tuna boy. I saw you calling that earlier. Maybe. By the end of the month is a pretty bold prediction. But, you know, we'll just see. Jackhawk 9000, is that what it was? Yanthro? Yeah. Shake and bake. Yeah, I mean, it wouldn't be a bad thing, one tuna boy. A repo? Maybe. Bears are just bulls that want to buy lower. Discipline is better? Yeah. Yeah. You want a little pullback for sustainability at some point. Because stairs up. We know the next part of that sentence, right? 30-minute, you're taking the 886. Shoutouts to the 886 gang. I might wait for CME to take that sweep personally before I start looking for it. But shoutouts to the 886ers. Big cheers. Y'all got some brass ones and price discovery. S&P is pulling back. I mean, but we plan for that. It's close to the gap now. Not quite. Oh, it's red. My bad. Was it red in your predictions? It was. Alright, I got you. Sorry. I get so excited about them. I used to love to do the predictions when we had them. And I know other streamers do it too. And so like when I was able to, I'd like try to do it as much as I can. But sometimes I forget to pay them out. Yeah, especially when I'm up here and like get locked into something. Shout outs to you all. Big cheers. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Anybody do anything fun? Justin, he's got some IRL things. He's doing well, though. He'll be back soon. Bobby, Toxic Pedals, let's go. Ash, you alright? Everything okay? Any soul perping tips for perp noob? Low leverage. Hippopotamus. low leverage, and small size. You need practice. Perps is a different animal. With the compounded gains, you can also compound your losses or greatly expand them by multipliers. It's definitely more difficult to learn with if you don't start small and slow. Currently in Tennessee, let's go. I saw a video, Discipline is Better, of some dude that had like this, you probably saw it, like super customized BMW, and it had bears like jumping all over the hood of it in Tennessee. It was pretty awesome. Like literal bears. I should have saved it. It was funny. Yeah, it had like custom paint. It was like slammed and had like carbon fiber and shit. Oh, sentiment in shambles. Yeah. You don't need no other streamer. You know, that's like your opinion, man. Shoutouts to the dude in the Big Lebowski. Yeah, as long as it's small. Yeah, 1x or, you know, like 5x is even a little difficult to learn with. 10x is like, it really is a big adjustment. I think that low leverage will help a lot. Hippopotamus. And Soul's a good one. It can have a lot of movement too. A lot of the coins do, but like even if you're just learning on like some of the larger assets, Soul, ETH, Bitcoin, it can be helpful. Like it respects the analysis a little bit better to me. So, you know, it's not like some mystery that price reverses or something. Yeah, shoutouts to you, Cuckoo Deliciosa, a big moron. Shoutouts to you. I can't get over that name, dude. 5x. And, yeah. Yeah, I'm like 5 to 10 on most of them. And then, like, if it's, like, a bigger range, I'll go down to, like, 3x. Yeah, sometimes, though, I'll like, ramp it up, just not all the time. All right, well, you need another streamer. I'll just give you another playlist, and that'll have to do. Yeah, anybody else not want me to stream anymore? I don't have feelings. I'm an adult, so I'm not gonna be mad. I'm here for you guys. Yeah, shout outs to my Lions. Yeah, who juicing, Cage? Let's fucking go. ETH, let's go. We need to see some ETH. Yeah, I wanted to see this, but we can come back to it. I got an alert set. Dude, we got music? It looks like it. Shout out to Cage. Shout out to Buzz. You want to turn up? What's your favorite vegetable, Housty? Oh, I know. I just turned it up hella loud in the panel and not in the dashboard. Oh my goodness. You're about to get like
ain't no gimmicks, it's just us and the crew. Taught myself the game,
something.
now we making it through. Living the dream, now the vision's in view. From the bottom to the top, now we got
How's
the right
that?
cue.
Is it too loud?
Now we laughing at the days when we struggled. Running up the charts, now we hustle and juggle. But it's all for the fam, yeah, we in this bubble. Keep it moving, never stopping, we stay
What
out of
playlist
trouble.
were you playing
From the
last
island
night? I
vibes
like
to the
that
city
one.
lights. We took
I
the
haven't
slow
played that
grind
one on
and turned it to
stream.
flight.
Wait, what happened? Are you getting music? It's not playing for me.
Useless lines. Right.
KIMBA is still ballin'. Yeah, I'll get on it.
It's a little too loud now. Yeah, I felt like it would be. And then it went away. Houston, the July playlist broke it.
This price pump, keep my alerts active. Send your play, call late, but the squad passed.
Cause it's hot fire. Dylon. We hit him with the hot fire.
Stacked up, wrist beat the stop losses, drop the charges. Haters nowadays are starving. Got the call from my dog, yeah, he sent me the target. Came through, I got juice, and they know I do.
Big cheers. It's better now. Should it be a little bit lower? I can't even hear it. I'm like even on the oh, it's just my goddamn headphones. No? Now the mic could be higher. Here we go. Is that better? Good morning. Yeah, I was sitting back a little bit, but the music was soft. I can't even hear the music. I was vibing out, and now I can't hear it. Alright, let's go. Oh my, is that value area high? Let's do the pixel. That doesn't mean anything. But it's just out of the sake of curiosity. Let's see the fifth on that. Shout outs to the 886 enjoyers. Stop loss and profit immediately. Let's go, Houston. Big cheers, brother. Oh my gosh, exclamation merch, exclamation enter. Houston's dropping a t-shirt. Let's go. Better get that enter in. You could be swagged out in some Gucci ass gear. Let's go. Shout outs for Nance. Exclamation turbo. That's for the real ones, the OGs. If you know, you know. Pipeline, thank you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yo, who juicing, Buzzo? Who juicing is juice. Who juicing? Yeah, I'm like dying with this thing. I need something. Hey, there we go. Somehow, like, the music wasn't working for me. Now I hear it. Epic. I'm like complaining about a migraine and the music starts playing. At least I can jam out. Let's go. Let's go. Exclamation enter. Exclamation merch if you want to try to pick up some swaggy fucking drip. But you got a chance to win right now. Let's go. Thank you, Houston. Big cheers, brother. What a way to start the week. We got Danny gifting subs. We got Houston dropping merch. Who juicing? Let's go, Bite Sore. Paper Bell, Curved Ease. Let's go, Calling Noob. Exclamation dashboard for those stream schedules for all of the juicy tools. And of course, to juice up on the exchanges. Big cheers. Yeah, get your UIDs in. We got giveaways this week, and this is just the tip of the iceberg. Let's go, Houston. Big cheers. I'm ready for another talent show, dude. I'm gonna get some submissions in. I'm gonna get a submission in. Yeah, I watched it again yesterday, I think it was. It was either yesterday or Saturday from last week. I watched both of them, and I was just jamming. Those songs are great. Yeah, shout out to the Lions that are putting entries in. Let's go, Latisse! You juicing! You are so back, brother. Yeah, shout outs to you. Big cheers. Thank your boy, Houston. He's juicing up the gang. Juicing us up with some swag and tunes. Much love. Let's go, Hitman Gucci. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, we want to see. Somebody said, can we finally fucking look at some altcoins? All right. Yeah, you see my box? There's ETH. Clean those highs. That's the first thing that I would look at. The box is not a shorting box. That is a shitload of bad highs. Is this a 3 drive? Quit playing with me. Let's go, Hitman Gucci. Thank you. He's making it rain. He juicing. Houston's juicing. Let's go. Yeah, acting. That's ETH. Yeah, we kind of looked at it already. And then we talked about kind of turning that 47.60 into support is like all-time highs are on the table. You got a naked point of control up here. I would be mindful of a swing fail either here or at that high. But turning this into support would definitely open the door for another 80 bucks maybe, and then probably higher. This was resistance, this whole zone through here, the 46.20. It was value area high for that consolidation. That's why it was kind of resistance when we came back here. Turn this into support. You know, it's not looking bad. Bad all the way through, but moving away and changing structure, it's strength. Shout out Stefan, Paul. Wow, iBanshee, big cheers. Big cheers, iBanshee. Gifting over in the YouTube. Let's go. 5 gift memberships over in the YouTube. Let's go, Banshees. Shout outs PSG, shout outs Banshee. Big cheers. Let's go. Hitman Gucci, you want to see anything? Saber, let's go. Fernandes. Damon, shout outs on the resub. Crypto Toomey, let's go. Yeah, big cheers, hi Banshees. Shout outs to PSG. Since Kimba's gone, you're juicing like a motherfucker. That's awesome. Yeah. Yeah. You know, he held our hands for 3 years. He walked us to the bathroom. He opened the stall door, unzipped our pants. Now we can hold our dicks and swing them like a motherfucker. Right? I know, this is like so not PG. This is so not PG rated. Let's go. Let's go, Hitman Gucci. It's, oh, hey, Slava. This is Mandalo. If you'd like to leave a message, wait for the tone, and he'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great day. Just kidding. This is Mandalo, dude. Kimba's been away for a little bit, and just some of the community has been filling in, and we've been juicing. Hitman Gucci's juicing like a MFer, and much love. So welcome, ask questions. We're nerding out, learning, we're grinding. Join the Discord, exclamation Discord, join our dashboard. There's a lot of great juice there. You can see the stream schedule for the events that are going on. Oh yeah, shoot, thanks that boy Housty. Yeah, exclamation redeem. Do redeem, exclamation redeem. Make sure you redeem to get that thing. Yeah, big cheers, Flank Sinatra. Latuche is blessed by God. Let's go, Ghosted, Buzzo. Token Tickler, let's get it. Yeah, if you won one before and didn't get it. Yeah, exclamation nerd out, exclamation talent show. All right, we're gonna go over to Soul. I guess we can make our way down the list, but we'll do Soul. As we anticipated, trading between our 220 zone and 240. That 232, 231 area was pretty important. We came back up, getting some closes right at that level. Just kind of consolidating. I'm not sure, but does that look like a bearish structure to you or a bullish structure to you? Just structure wise. Naturally, this area, that naked point of control, really even down into this value area low. I should extend that farther until we lost it all, but that is a pretty natural thing to be resistance. We flipped that to 237, 238 is likely on the table. It's raining merch. Let's go, Yanthro. Big cheers. Thank you. Exclamation enter. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you, Yanthro. Thank you, Hoosty. Hi, Banshees. We got some Chads in here. We juicing. Slavo, feel free to ask questions. We chillin'. You can exclamation rewind. We've had a whole month of juice and nerd outs and talent shows and all kinds of Gucci things. We made all-time highs the other day again. This is juice. It would have been nice on stream, but like, the math is the math. We might get it on stream. We got pretty dang close to it just now. Yeah, Soul. The 232, it's turning into support. That's bullish. Bullish structure like everywhere. Should probably hold daily value area low. I don't have any VWAPs on here. Oh, hi. She wanted to give me a big hug and a big kiss. She is. She's the sweetest little girl. Yeah, and then I got a two-month-old son, and that's been fun. It'll be all fine. Everything's fine. Yep. It's all fine. Everything's fine. I can't find my dumpster emote. There we go. The dumpster fire. I am blessed. I am, and it's all gonna be fantastic. You know, the level of work and output that I'm trying to put in with the baby, it's difficult, but we do it. We do it. Let's go, Checkster. Shout out to Yanthro. Thank you, Yanthro. Shout out to PSG. I Banshees. Yeah, Checkster, exclamation redeem. Make sure you get that dang thing. Yeah, Housty. Big cheers. Congrats. Congrats. Enjoy it. Yeah, Latisse, rock that shirt with pride. Checkster, rock that mug with pride. I need to get my KIMBA mug in here. I actually have a black one and a white one. It's juice. Yeah, his and hers. Which color do you think mine is? Exclamation merch. Yeah, there's some sick new V2 merch. All the merch is juice. And there's the Lions of Laquania. Shout outs to them. Who's rocking the Lions of Laquania PFPs? Let's get it. Yeah, these highs are terrible on Soul. Yeah, maybe it's a swing fail if Biddy swing fails the highs. 244 is important. This level, turning it into support is a good thing for trading through the entire zone. Yeah, we like started to close into previous value area. We need to flip that point of control, which is like really, man, that's not why I drove that box, but that is a pretty good reason to have that box there. Flip that, and higher is coming. That's bad highs right here. That's what this line for. This little rundown isn't the greatest. That's a good high up there, but you know, it's opening the door, and then like we have more that could be coming if Bitcoin just continues price discovery. Pullbacks will hit the alts harder. We all know this. It's not our first rodeo. How was it today on S&P? Yeah, we looked at, yeah, that's what we're looking at S&P for as a reference. Most of us anyways. Some of us are trading it, trading ES, trading commodities. We haven't pulled up gold in a while. We're gonna run through a couple more alts really fast, and Hype, get your ass back above $50. Look at that. I mean, the math is the math, isn't it? And this stupid trend line rejecting us. That's a Kachoya, but at least it's holding that anchor VWAP. Naked point of control grab. We need to hold this. Jader. Oh my gosh, did I Banshees is juicing 50 YouTubes? Let's go. Big shout outs to I Banshees. Yeah, thank you, boy. He's making it rain in YouTube. I Banshees, let's go. Big cheers. Ooh wee. It's gotta be Testnet. If you just received a Testnet sub, make sure that you thank I Banshees. Thank him personally. I would drive over to his house if I knew where he lived. I really wouldn't. I'd never leave my house, but shout outs to you, brother. Big cheers. Let's meet up on yachts. Orly, let's go. Cage. Inky. Ah, Kachoya. Shout out to you, Inky. Richie. Let's go. Big cheers. Yeah, I just saw like YouTube chat. Let's go, bud. Welcome to Lion Cub. Yeah, I saw YouTube chat like spinning like Agger. That was like, oh, let's go. When is takeoff? Dude, we got our spacesuits on, helmets on. We got our diapers on. Let's go. Shwani, how we doing? Everything well? Hype's looking okay. We need to get above 49 and hold it. Really need to get up into that $51 zone. Yeah, that 47's okay. That low, now we're getting kind of close to it, but it is fine. We got some single prints. Maybe if it sweeps that, it like taps or fills one of the singles. This is pretty important down here, and we're still holding that high. so it's okay. We kind of came in and got right back out. That's not too bad. The highs here aren't great either. So get above that naked point of control. We need to hold the point of control for today. Get back outside of value and like actually hold it. We have every single time that we try to break value, we just like wake back in, like people are selling into it. But these highs aren't great. Get above that. We're looking much better. Crow, it's got a good structure right here. Not holding a breakout, but that's a higher high. So like, you know, whole value area high or point of control. Again, we're still like just higher highs, higher lows. Not bad. Dewey, yeah, we got back above that 340 that we were talking about in the 360. That 365 would be a good one to break from, but this is kind of like the 370, I think. I like that one better with this whole consolidation. That's their stop loss and their stop loss likely. Need to get above this, and turning the value area high for today into support will look a lot better for, you know, taking that high and perhaps even grinding above. You know, check open interest on a lot of things. Like we got shorts coming in. We got like open interest is dropping collectively. I don't know what's going on here. I don't even know if I can trust it on Zooey, but this is spot, and spot's looking all right. Wait, what was CVD on this? Do I even have? Yeah, I do. CVD. Yeah, it could look better, but it's not like over. Yeah, you break from this, and you're gonna break that like bearish. Bearish. Yeah, hidden bearish, I guess. Doge is back above the 22. And, I mean, Doge is looking strong, actually. That's looking pretty nice. Yeah, that high right there is probably on the table. Y'all like 27.
Time to run it up, y'all know the signal, time to run it up. Bull flag
that structure's looking good. I would not take a long right here, but if it breaks it and like holds, maybe a retest of it would be an interesting idea. Buzz needs to see Litecoin. Lordy Schwani. Were you doing like a commercial job? Is that what you specialize in? That's nice. Yeah, that's a good job. You doing shingles or other stuff? And were you on top of the roofs or your crew was doing it? 'Cause man, I hated roofing. Especially in summertime. The crypto community from your country, some of the biggest creators already sold. How is that confluence? Is that like what normally happens at highs? What country is that, Sazamir? Shouts to you. Good cheers. Look at SPX 6900. It's already about to be at 6900 in normal SPX. So like commercial. Nice. Ugh. Ugh. I feel you. Yeah. Yeah, like most builders, I started small and just like my own projects, and well, like a lot of builders anyways. And so I had to learn all the trades. And I had to do a lot of roofing. It was no fun. sub and everything out got like was a game changer. Yeah, that sounds like a great job. The 30,000 square feet. Litecoin, not as strong as Doge. We got bad highs up here still. Holding this is pretty good. Holding value, pretty good. Need to hold above point of control. And let's get some VWAPs in here. Like, it's finally starting to hurt enough.
I just can't fight it. Power got me tight and showed me all the things I miss when the Fed set the score.
Levels. Oh, that's the wrong one. There we go. Open up. Sorry. Did I even put the... I don't even know what I'm doing here. That's where it went. This song almost reminds me of that movie Popstar. The soundtrack from it. You know what I'm talking about? Hanging Gutter. 1,000 feet isn't that bad. I guess it's pretty bad. Are you bending it? Is it seamless? Let's go. Yeah, we're above VWAP. That's okay. Monthly VWAP. Look at that. Look at that. That is pretty nice. I mean, we're only like 6 days into the month, but that's clean. Previous. It sounds like that Bin Laden song. He's never gonna play it again. You know what I'm talking about? Buzzo, you know. Shwani, big cheers. Hey, good luck today. Good luck with that. I hope you juice up. I hope you're juicing in the charts and you're juicing in your business. Let's go. You running the machine? Yeah. Sometimes you can't trust anybody but yourself. You want it done right. Isn't that right? Especially for that much, you're like trying to get the job done. Are you in US? Appreciate the subs. He's making it rain. He's juicing. He's juicing at business. He's juicing in the charts. He's juicing in KIMBA gang. Let's go, Shwani. Big cheers. Thank you. If you just juiced up off of a sub from your boy Shwani, thank him. Thank you. Nice. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, gang, let's grow it. Let's grind. Hold this. Hold this. Yeah, have a great day, Shwani. Thank you so much. Hold value. Hold VWAPs. Looking good. This is not good up here. Yeah, Buzzo, you're juicing. Jedi's Kurika, morning. How are we doing? Anything specific, Buzz? Are you trying to like add? You trying to look for TPs? Yeah, that was like a clean of this. It's not bad, but we started trading in that single print. Probably get back in here. It's gonna run, you know, at least a few more dollars. But I think that 130's on the table, and those highs are pretty bad. Turn this whole zone into support, just to get like a little bit less on here. I'm disregarding the single print. Turn this all into support. Those highs are weak. They're no good. So that's a decent move if that happens. And previous resistance is flipping. It's trying to flip these highs at like 120. We need to like really. I mean, that's a nice bounce right here. I'm just looking at that structure. Pretty nice. Yeah, I was just like, it was almost an IHS. Are they saying that on? Yeah, don't round trip it. Yeah, if we start trading back down into here, the same thing that I was saying on Friday or Thursday. You know, the previous weekly open, this single print is interesting. Or the single print is interesting at like 115, 114. I don't really want to see it get below 112. But it's still not bad until it like loses 108. You get down here and start getting closes, those lows are getting clean to me. It's all good up here. We are flipping that value area into support for this whole zone. For substantiating that claim. I mean, that's a lot of price action, but we could even just go from the like that, maybe like here. That was like the pixel retest of it. There you go. I'll draw it so you can see it more easily. God damn it. I hate when it does that. Yeah, I might have to call it in just a second. We're gonna just go right back over, check ETH, Biddy, and Boomer Markets, and get out of here. That's a nice little test, or retest. That was clean. I'm gonna pull back on Friday. That's juice. Yeah, big cheers to you all. Oh, I gotta look at disaster for my boy Coke Zero. Shwani, do you want to see anything? Oh, somebody wanted to see SPX 6900. Like, I don't even know. I don't really have time for pulling it up, but I'll give you a 5-second TA on it. Like, dude, what am I fucking even looking at it at? I mean, I must have TA'd it at some point.
KIMBA, turn the fuck up. Just log in for the night. Yeah. Grab your chart.
Yeah. Fiend. Shouts to the olden days. Frescon, I can't pull up a bunch of shit coins anymore, man. Sorry. I have to get out of here, brother. Ask for it tomorrow. I'm like way out of time. I'm like late for work as hell. I'm sorry, brother. Yeah, but I said that I was gonna pull up EMB. So, I'm like making my way up the list. I'll pull it up. Yeah, so there's your, hold this box, and things will look better for your 6,900. ETH, 4-hour chart, rejecting from one of those highs. I would look for maybe a retest like around here. The 4620 area, 4600. That's not like, golly. Back inside, finance enjoyers. Yeah, I could pull back all the way to like the, it's actually not very far at all. You want to hold this. I want to go down
in risk high, never tripping. Crossing through the noise, charge tired, never slipping. You worry about the cloud, I'm worried about printing. Let us in the safe in the bag, still itching. Switch up the plan, keep a gang, got the juice. If you talking big flex, you ain't met the real truth. Everyone feeling, but they still playing loose.
You can go all the way back to like value area low, like 1140, and still like be all right. You don't really want to lose this. You keep the higher lows. I could see it maybe even just going to like the 1180. and you got a little bit of structure, a lot more like volume. And this isn't perps, this is spot at least. So that's on the 30-minute, that high looks pretty bad. On the 4-hour, it looks pretty good. So just be considerate of that at 12 p.m. New York. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Stop loss and profit, you're juicing right now. So that's cool. Alright, back to Biddy. Yeah, we're holding the box. We just turned that resistance box into support. And I'm saying that by 2 30-minute closes and potentially another hourly close in 14 minutes. I'm not going to be able to make it to that. But I think the highs are probably coming. If it pulls back, you got VWAP below. Probably don't want to lose that daily level, like the 123.3, 123.4, and it really was flipping it. Yeah, it's pretty clean. Yeah, shout outs to CoinWise, exclamation CoinWise. If you haven't tried out their Pro Suite, try a 14-day trial on them. That's dope as hell. We use these things a lot on stream and been doing a great job at pointing out levels. I feel like we've done really, really well this month, and the gang is juicing. And the gang, it's not just like in a bull market where it's like anybody can post on Twitter and say, up is coming. We've been sniping levels. Does anybody disagree? It's got to be testnet. We've been really, really good with the levels, I think. Shout out to PSG. Shout outs to all the grinders. Shout outs to the CoinWise enjoyers. It's been juicy. Yeah, shout out to CoinWise. The gang is mathing up. That's right. I don't even know how. Oh, that's what happened to it. For God's sakes, how did I make a new pane down there? I didn't even know you could do that with VWAP. That's ridiculous. WEEX on my chart, think it's confetti. It pop. Now we ride to the fib zone, call it heavy. Down the block, seen the WEEX flip from fear. I don't know. I'm gonna fix it later. I was just looking at this. You got a little bit of shorts coming in. A lot of longs are in. A lot of the ones at the top are for that push on Saturday. You know, they closed out. So we're kind of starting fresh at the beginning of the week. I think the highs might be coming. But how I think and how I feel is different than what it do. What it do. Much love. Happy 420. Big cheers. Exclamation dashboard for the stream schedule the rest of the week. I am not going to be here in the morning. But if it's something just insane, I'll try to hop in for a few minutes and just like regroup with everybody. Otherwise, we have our levels planned. Possibly turn the highs into support or look for a swing fail. We have like the 121, 122 to look at as potential bounce zones, and then 118 is like a big area that needs to hold if it pulls back aggressively, like the 119, 118 definitely needs to hold. You have fibs, you have levels, you have CoinWise, you have each other, you have PSG. S&P is just like gonna do a whole nothing burger for right now. We have no bearish events going on this week at this point in time. Hey, when are we getting FOMC minutes? Are they shutting down that one too?
Got the gains on good release. Bought it 2020, profits doubled in a week. Risk look a milli, but the broker's still cheap. Just cop another contract if the setup looking weak. Yeah. Slam dunking profits like I'm playing NBA. Stacking up the wins.
It's supposed to be on Wednesday. Are they still having it? Is it still appear in Forex? I didn't open it up. I forgot about the minutes. I looked at it last week, and then I have been a lot. Yeah, let's see. Shout out to Forex Factory. Yeah, it's still coming up on Wednesday. We'll be ready for it. I'll be here on Wednesday morning. It is happening. New York, 2 p.m. Yeah, it's not like anything that unexpected. It's just a minute, but we'll be ready for it. Yeah, so I'll hop in, or I'll hop in the Discord, and you know, things go crazy or whatever. Yeah, that's what I thought. Happy, thank you. Natero. Yeah, it's this week. It's Wednesday. Big cheers. Big cheers. Oh, Big Gammas. Do we have the Big Gammas back? You know, it's just Monday. You probably know a lot more by Wednesday. Yeah, you're welcome, y'all. Sorry I didn't get to everything. We had some good vibes this morning, though. Thank you all for joining. Big cheers to iBanshees. Oh, I can't leave on this one, but I can still thank everybody on this one. This song is fire. Breathe. Yeah, I remember that one. Yeah, big shout outs to Shwani. Big shout outs to iBanshees. Big shout outs to Danny Balat. Thank you so much for your generosity. Big cheers to the resubs. Crypto Toomey, Damon, Hitman Gucci. Thank you for the gifted subs. Housty, thank you for the merch. Exclamation merch. Shout outs to all the merch enjoyers. Yo. Yeah, if you juiced on some merch, who else? Wait, who else gifted out the merch? Yeah. I'm hoeing. Who was it? It was a PSG person. Oh man, who was it? Come on, stand up. I know Latisse juiced up off of it. I got my Jedi hoodie on. Look at that. Let's go, Cade. Yep. I know, it's kind of dirty though. But it's chilly this morning, so I had to throw it on. Dude, white was a bad call. But it looks fresh if it's clean. Man, I want to thank who it was. Was it Happy 420? Was it Flank Sinatra? Oh my gosh. Yanthro, let's go, Yanthro. I had to scroll all the way up. Like you were like the last thing. Shouts to you, brother. Thank you, brother. Big cheers. Don't forget to redeem. Exclamation redeem. Get that t-shirt. Get that mug. The song is juice. Breathe. Yeah. Let's go Housty. Get the sub yesterday. Alright, y'all. It's pretty clean. I mean, the lights are out, so we all look better in the dark, don't we, Cage? That's the goal. Yeah, Manaka, big cheers, brother. Check the YouTube, check the dashboard for the stream schedule. We got some juice coming tomorrow. Hopefully some giveaways this week. Looking forward to it. Big thank you to you all. 60, Mr. Larry's, Cage, Manaka, that boy Husty, Coke Zero. 118 is the real level Coke Zero. I could see it getting like swing failed, but we can't get like closes down below. 121. Let me go over. See, that's like, that's a sweep level to me, Coke. That's a sweep level to me. And front running the highs by that little. I can see it tapping the single print or even filling it. Yeah, it was like the 120, 100 was an important level for a bounce. Monthly VWAP. I don't want to see it losing. I don't want to see it losing this really. That's pretty far. Yeah, if it gets out of previous value, that would be something I might be looking for, like a retest. Yeah. So, not that hard. More like this. You get that bad low, and then bounce, and then take it. But I don't think that it would go that deep if it like pulled back straight down. If it's just like grinding, I'll be looking for sweeps for real. This is bad. And if it's like got that whole bleed down, this is all gonna be bad the whole way down. Yeah, you see what they do with that. And they've been doing it the past week. Yeah, Coke, you're juicing, dude. You did hedge, nice. Yeah, I mean, it kind of hit that like level of potential reaction that we identified. That's a good trade, dude. And you can't lose. Yeah, why not hedge it? I'm not like looking to short now, but you cut the highs, dude. That's juice. Yeah, big cheers. Yeah, but the 118 is like the major line. You get below that, and 117 is next. Yeah, let's get it, Coke. Juice up. I hope everybody juices up. Thanks, J-Paz. Big cheers. All right, much love, gang. We're gonna send it to the outro. Yeah, juice up, y'all. Much love. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Shout out to the dashboard. Shout out to Coinwise. Shout out to all the mods and admins and all of you guys. And big thank you to Kimba. Shout out to the exchanges. Much love. Exclamation merch. Exclamation Coinwise. Exclamation dashboard. Much love, y'all. One of my brothers said, I got a question I really want to know. What would you do if you had 24? It's Mandalo. Class in session, lines pay attention. Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. KIMBA gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how we shine. Knowledge is power, math is the key. Every young line gon' learn from me. If lines can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom lines, trades gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'. We see through they scandals, price is the box and we puntin'. Bugatti money focus, flexing on my mind. Structure, fibs, and order flow, profiling.